Imagine waking up tomorrow and knowing exactly how to make $100 a day online. That's $3,000 a month, without leaving your home, without fancy degrees, and without a big investment. In this video, I'm going to break down, step by step, how complete beginners can start making their first $100 online per day. I'll share 5 simple methods, show you how they actually work, and give you a roadmap you can follow immediately. So, if you've ever wondered, is it really possible to make money online as a beginner? This video is for you. Welcome to Prosper Quest, the channel where we break down practical ways to build income online, one step at a time. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. All right, let's dive straight into the 5 steps to making your first $100 a day online. The very first step is choosing the method that works for you. Now, there are hundreds of ways to make money online, but not all of them are beginner-friendly. I recommend starting with something simple that doesn't require advanced skills. Here are a few. Freelancing. Offer small services like writing, logo design, or video editing on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Affiliate marketing. Promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale. Micro tasks and surveys. Websites like Clickworker, Swagbucks, or Amazon Mechanical Turk pay for short, easy jobs. Digital products. Selling templates, printables, or ebooks on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. For beginners, I suggest starting with freelancing or affiliate marketing. They're the fastest to scale to $100 a day. Step 2, build your foundation. Once you've picked your method, the next step is building your foundation. That means setting up the tools you'll need. A Gmail account for signups and communication. A PayPal or bank account for payments. A simple profile on freelancing platforms if you're doing services. Or, if you're doing affiliate marketing, signing up for free affiliate networks like ClickBank or Digistore24. Don't overcomplicate this step. Keep your profile clean, honest, and beginner-friendly. Remember, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to get started. Step 3. Start small, earn small. This is where most beginners go wrong. They expect huge money immediately. But the key is to start small. For example, on Fiverr, you could offer to write a 500-word article for $5. Complete 20 of those in a week. That's already $100. Or with affiliate marketing. If you promote a product that pays $25 per sale, you only need 4 sales a day to reach your $100 goal. Break it down into numbers. Suddenly, $100 doesn't look so impossible. Step 4. Scale up. Once you've proven to yourself that money can come in, the next step is scaling. This means improving your skills so you can charge more, reinvesting some of your earnings into tools like Canva Pro, paid gigs, or even small ads, expanding to multiple platforms. For example, freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork, or promoting more than one affiliate product. Scaling is what takes you from side income to consistent $100 a day and beyond. Step 5. Repeat and stay consistent. Now here's the secret. Consistency. Too many people quit after a week because they only made $20. But if you stay consistent, those $20 days turn into 50, then 100, then more. It's like going to gym. Results don't show overnight, but with daily effort, the transformation is huge. So, pick your method, commit to it for at least 30 days, and you'll be surprised how far you can go. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let me warn you about a few mistakes beginners often make. Jumping between too many methods at once. Focus on one. Falling for scams promising instant riches. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Quitting too early. Remember, online income is real, but it requires effort. Avoid these, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and frustration. Think about what $100 a day could do for you. Maybe it pays your bills. Maybe it helps you travel. Maybe it gives you freedom from a job you don't enjoy. And the best part is, anyone can start, beginner or not. You don't need thousands of dollars, and you don't need years of experience. All you need is a decision to begin today. So, which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. if you found value in this video. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on building income online. And stay tuned for my next video, where I'll show you top 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. This is a Prosper Quest, and I'll see you in the next video.